Alright guys, let's take a quick look at GLMR. As you can see, I had to readjust the Fibonacci, and I had to put it all the way down here where this wick hits it at the bottom. And you can see that we are getting kind of a nice bounce off that wick. That's good. We do have some weekly support here. I would say this is very small support though, but if we close over this, great. I would like to see this close actually above this candle. Let's just say 16.2 cents would be ideal. Currently we're sitting at about 16.04. So it doesn't have much to go, but I would like to see it at least, take out that candle and make a slightly higher high here. And anyways, guys, the next resistance is basically, this resistance that we are sitting right on, basically. And then 17 cents exactly here looks like it's a resistance as well, daily resistance. We do have 18.65 cents or whatever as a resistance as well. We have 21 cents basically here, and we have 22.5 cents up here. So there's a lot of resistances. So it's just Moonbeam doesn't look very good, I can honestly say. Now keep in mind, I do have a bag of Moonbeam. I don't want to be too critical on Moonbeam. I still think it's a great project, but it's just really fallen, and it's been one of the worst performing altcoins, I can say. And yeah, I mean, if you look at this chart, there's a ton of resistance down here below about 30 cents or so, and really about 27 cents. I mean, there's just resistance after resistance, basically. Now these resistances start to get separated more. Once we get above about 27 cents, will be a little bit easier to move, up. But we'll see, guys. Anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin basically is, making a CME gap. I'm not sure why this did that. But yeah, it's making a little bit of a CME gap here because it's, not Monday yet officially. So we still have another 4-hour candle to close. Now, if we look at this on a weekly time frame, though, it, doesn't look too bad, although this is kind of an indecisive candle. And it's, struggling with 60.2 here. So, K, we can say 60,200. And last week was a nice, candle, very big wick, got bought up. But this one is just kind of doji. So we'll see, guys. I mean, it is 2 weeks of green candles in a row. That's good. But they aren't anything significant. So we are still more bearish bias right now, unfortunately. Now, economic calendar. Basically, we got a lot of speakers and things this week, and we do have the European Union CPI, on Tuesday. Wednesday is FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday is probably the biggest day economically. You do have continuing jobless claims, Jackson Hole Symposium, PMI, existing home sales, and things like this. Friday, Fed Chair Powell speaks. We got Jackson Hole still. You got new home sales, building permits, things like that. And then Saturday, Jackson Hole again. So about the interest rate cut, there's 75% chance for a quarter-point cut and 25% chance for a half-point cut. So I don't think there's going to be a half-point cut at all this year. I believe September you're going to see, a quarter, November a quarter, December a quarter, and that's it, guys. Anyways, if you like this video about GLMR or Moonbeam, then like this video, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.